Page 43. Building Program. The work begins with the drawing up of a detailed brief with the help of an experienced architect and guided by questionnaires shown on the following page. Before planning starts, the following must be known: site, location, size, site and exact levels, location of service, building and planning regulation and condition. This information should be sought from the local authority, service providers, and legal representatives. And a layout plan to comply with this should be developed. Space requirements with regards to area, height, positioning, and their particular relationship with one another. Dimensions of existing furniture, finance, site, acquisition, legal fees, mortgage, proposed method of construction: brick, frame construction, sloping roof, flat roof. The track scheme is begun by drawing up individual rooms of the required areas as simple rectangles drawn to scale and put provisionally into groups. After studying the movements of the pupil and goods horizontally and vertically, analyze circulation and the relationships of rooms to each other and the sun. During this step, the designer will progressively obtain a clear understanding of the design problems involved. Instead of starting to design at this stage, they should, at the basis of their previous work, establish the building area, determine the position of the building on the site by exploring the various means of access, the prevailing wide physical contour, aspect, and neighborhood. Try out several solutions to explore all possibilities and use the pros and cons for such an examination. Unless, of course, a single obvious solution presents itself. Based on the foregoing, decision-making is normally very quick and the idea becomes clearer. Then the real picture of building emerges. Now the first design stage can be begin firstly as an organizational and spiritual impression in the mind. From this, a schematic representation of the general configuration of the building and its spatial atmosphere is built up, from which the designer can develop the real proposal in the form of plans and elevations. Depending upon temperament and drawing ability, a quick curve thread or a spiral noodle form the first result of this